Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to use my instructions by doing an entire haircut showing you step by step how to achieve a really cool haircut. It's going to be a series of 3 different videos, so make sure you watch all 3. But this first video is going to be all about how to do the clipper section. So the first step is to choose a guard length. We are going to do a number 1 with the lever down, so it's basically a 1.5. And I'm going to go up about a 1/2 inch above his ear. As a rule of thumb, I like to go up about a 1/2 inch to an inch above the ear with the shortest part of the clipper. And then you want to use your lever to go up half sizes with the length. As soon as you can hear that hair being cut, you rock the clipper away from the head. So now this part, all you're doing is you're going up maybe a 1/4 inch all along that ridge. So now the instructions say to go up a guard size. So I'm going to take this guard off. I'm going to replace it with the next guard up, which is a 2. Shape up another 1/4 to a 1/2 inch. So I'm going to do the same thing, just going around that ridge. As soon as I hear that hair being cut, see how I'm rocking these clippers away from the head. You don't want to round because we want to keep this hair. This hair is what is really cool to help with the style. So we're just going to keep these clippers straight up. See how there's no more hair coming through these clippers? So as soon as there's no more hair coming through the clippers, then I am ready to move on to the top part with the scissors. So stay tuned for the next video and I will show you all about how to cut the top of the hair.